Comparing a coffee maker cone vs a basket filter is easy. Both rely on hot water to produce a delicious cup of coffee. But while they may seem similar, a machine's filter type does affect the brewing process. You may have the best coffee maker and still not get the morning brew you want because of the filter. Comparing filter cones vs filter baskets. Filter shape isn't the only factor that coffee lovers are concerned with. They may consider a coffee maker permanent filter vs paper, for example. But before reaching that stage, they have to decide on the shape and type of coffee filter. Some of the most popular are conical and others are flat-bottomed or basket-like. Each shape has its own flow rate and even its own flow pattern. And as the water flow changes, so too does the final brew. Coffee machine compatibility. A basket coffee maker will break down its filter size based on the cups of coffee to be brewed. Machines with cone filters use filter sizes of either #1, #2, #4, or $6, each of which corresponds roughly to the number of cups brewed in filters with baskets. Anyone looking to make just one cup of coffee will want to go with a manual option that can include pour-over coffee makers. These devices often use #1 cone-shaped filters, which have no basket equivalent. Two-size cone filters make 6 cups of coffee in an electric cone coffee maker, though they make about half that in a manual device. 8 12-cup coffee machines use a #4 filter, or an equivalent. Finally, manual 10-cup coffee makers use #6 size cone-shaped filter. Effect on quality of coffee. Surprisingly, the shape of a filter does affect the flavor of a cup of coffee. A study conducted by the UC Davis Coffee Center tested flat, basket versus triangle. Flat filter brewed cups of dark roast were described as hay-like and cocoa and other earthier flavors. Light roasts were described as floral, raisin, and dried fruit. Triangle filters also resulted in flavorful coffee, but they were described very differently. Light roasts were either noticeably sweet or markedly sour, while dark roasts were marked as bitter or smoky. Grind preference. The roast level is not the only point where the coffee grounds interact with the filter. Researchers also measured how grind sizes and the filter basket shape interacted. Medium grinds were left out by the UC Davis Coffee Center researchers, unfortunately. However, both large and small grind sizes were heavily tested. Fine coffee grounds and a flattened basket filter produce the most flavorful coffee, often described in fruity or chocolate-like terms. However, coarser grinds, whether in a cone or flat filter, led to a coffee taste more often described in ashy, sour, or acidic. Overall, both grind types turned out better in flat-bottom baskets, while conical filters resulted in more arid coffee with sharper flavor. Getting the perfect grind may require knowing about a coffee maker with a grinder vs a separate grinder. However, we are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.